Hello everyone, welcome back in the Python programming series of shorts. So today we are going to see here what is enumerate function in Python, right? So till now we saw different concept of operators, data types, variables, control statements, right? Break, continue and so on, comprehension concepts, data structures, right? Let's just move forward with a very usable function, that is enumerate function. Now what does this function will do, right? So it is a built-in function that adds an index counter to each item in an iterable like a list or string. Okay, so basically this is an inbuilt function that adds the index. As it will just traverse throughout the data structure, list or anything, any sequence. Okay, it is going to give you the index and the item, okay, on every iteration. So it returns basically the sequence that is uh, index and item pairs, okay, which can be looped through. So useful when you need both the value and its position during iteration. So many times you need to come such a position in the code that where you are going to deal out with both it's the label and the value, right? Key and value, index and the item, right? So let's just see the syntax. So you need to write enumerate keyword. You can give parenthesis and whatever the iterable, that means sequence you have, you can give and you can allocate the starting index, right? Let's just move forward with an example here. I'm just going to take the names list, okay? And within this list I'm going to take like what is the thing I'm going to get here with enumerate. I'm going to get the index and the name, right? So I'm going to give here the name as Kajal. Let's have the name as Amit. Let's have one more name. um let's have Sam. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to use out my enumerate function. So for that I'm going to use for loop. So for index I want comma name, right? In this is the enumerate function. You can see id is suggesting us you can use the enumerate. You need to pass the sequence iterable, right, which is nothing but the name. Okay, you can just edit it so that you guys would be having better clarity. So what do you want to do? Just simply make the column and perform the f string. That's all. So here I'm going to give my name. Before this I can give my index, right? So index I have given out here. I can give column for better user experience. If I'm going to run it, you can check the response. This is how you can just receive out your answer. Okay, I hope this is going to be a useful theory about enumerate. You can just use out your index and name in enumerate and you can just pass the sequence. So thank you so much.